Let's move towards to another stories that are The Refugees by Pearl S. Buck, and second one is Three Questions by Leo Tolstoy. The Refugee a story. The Refugees is a short story by the author Pearl S. Buck. Pearl S. Buck, the author of the story, was born in West Virginia in the year 1892. Her parents were missionaries in China, so she grew up in China. She was educated at Randolph-Macon College, Virginia. After her education there, she returned to China as a missionary. In 1917, she married Lossingberg, a Cornell graduate. He was also working in China. In 1935, she divorced him to marry her publisher Richard Walls. Author of about 70 books, Pearl S. Buck became in 1938 the first American woman to win the Nobel Prize for Literature. Her fame chiefly rests on her many novels portraying the life of the Chinese peasants and the downtrodden. The Good Earth won her the Pulitzer Prize. It was one of the most popular novels of the 20th century. So we can say that the author Pearl S. Buck received two prizes for her contribution in literature. First, she got Pulitzer Prize for her novel The Good Earth, and second, she got Nobel Prize for Literature in 1938. Buck was an active supporter of the African American civil rights movements and ban on nuclear testing. She moved to the small New England town of Danby towards the end of her career. She died in 1973. Now we move towards the story. Pearl S. Buck's short story entitled The Refugees brings out the tragedy of those diligent poor folk who are uprooted from their land because of natural calamities like floods. They look for work. They look for work or a temporary help from some good person. However, they are generally treated as beggars in the alien land. The old man of this story is a symbol of the prowess of men of strong character who can wield such tragic phrases in their lives to herald the dawn of prosperity once again. In the story, the money given to the old man becomes a sacred trust. He keeps it up to purchase seeds so that he can go back to his native land and work for his tiny grandson. The grandson was the only other survivor of his family. This story is with a clear message. The message is related to the country's peasantry. Peasants, who are the backbone of a country, are hardworking and self-respecting people. They may be poor, but they would never beg. They love their land. They are true sons of the soil who provide corn for the whole country. One message of the story is that peasants should be given their due regard in society. The other idea conveyed through the story is the importance of seed for a peasant. Land is of no use if it is not put to seed. So a farmer may have nothing left, but he will always keep some seed for his land. The old farmer in the story is starving, yet he doesn't buy anything for himself. He keeps the silver coin to buy seed for his land. His words to the vendor sum up the message of the story. The best I can do for that grandson of mine is to buy little seed for the land. Yes, the land must be put to seed. They are people of whom any nation can be proud. This is a short story, and we have discussed what is really included in the story, and you can read the text of the story thoroughly and can enjoy it. Now we move towards another story, Three Questions by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was born in a family that was ranked among the most powerful nobles and rich landowners of Tsarist Russia. Tolstoy is one of the greatest names in the world of literature. He was a great novelist and a great thinker. His writings and life had great influence on Mahatma Gandhi, who was indebted to Tolstoy to a very great extent in evolving his philosophy of truth and non-violence. Tolstoy was a count, a man of great wealth and high position. But his heart was full of humanity, and gradually he realized that to own so much wealth was sinful in a country where so many had to go without food. He preached and practiced the philosophy of renunciation and simple living based on equality. Best known work by Leo Tolstoy is War and Peace, and among his other works are Anna Karenina, The Death of Ivan H., and other stories, and 23 Tales. The short stories are full of his religious fervor and represent the union of great moral conviction and minute psychological analysis. The main tenets of religion are renunciation of violence and wealth, improvement of the inner self, compassion for all living things, and abolition of governments and churches. The story Three Questions was written in 1903. It is one of the stories Leo Tolstoy contributed in aid of the Jews left destitute after the massacres and outrages in Krishna and elsewhere in Russia. Now we will discuss the story in brief. The story Three Questions was written in the year 1903. It is one of the stories Tolstoy contributed in aid of Jews left destitute after the massacres and outrages in Krishna and elsewhere in Russia. These outrages possibly preempted the yet more terrible Jewish massacres of 1905 that shook Tolstoy to the very core. In the story, a king had a great desire to be perfect in his work. He thought he could be successful if he knew the answers to the three questions. First question is, what is the right time for every action? Second, who are the people that matter most? And third question is that what is the most important thing to do? So these are three questions that King wanted to answer. Through a crisp narrative, the story reveals the importance of the present in life. It is now that matters in our dealings. For the past is irretrievable that was gone, that has been gone, and future is still hidden. The most important time is the present. The most important person is the one we are dealing with at that moment. And the most important thing is to do good to our fellow beings. This moral is conveyed through the story of a king who wants a kind of formula for success in life. The most appropriate time to do a thing, the right person to deal with, and most important action. Various answers come his way, but he is not satisfied. He goes to a hermit as a seeker to learn the answers. The hermit does not say anything but elaborates on the incidents of the day to provide convincing answers to the three questions. The incidents on the previous day had proved that now is the most important time. So, answer of the first question, that was what is the right time for every action. So, answer is now is the most important time. And answer of the second question is the most important man is he with whom you are. And third question was answered that the most important thing is to do him good. The union of a great moral conviction and realistic details and an immense imaginative vision combined to make Leo Tolstoy one of the great European writers.